Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will see exercise 13.1 question number 5 and 6. So let's get into the question number 5. So here we have the question. Hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cuboidal wooden block. So there is one cuboidal wooden block. Let's draw that cuboidal wooden block. Actually this is not the cuboidal, it's a question mistake. It should be a cubical wooden block only. So let's take one cube. In cube only they have cut out one hemispherical part. Okay, depression means they just dig inside that cubical block and then they took it out the spherical part, hemispherical part. Okay, so let's take here, this is the hemispherical part which is dig out from the cubical block, right? And let's read the question again. Wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. See, your diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the edge, means this is the edge and the diameter edge will be same only. Then determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So we have to find out the surface area of the remaining solid. So let's take the diameter of the hemisphere as a L. That's the given data here. So let's start solution. Given diameter of hemisphere is given that L. Okay, if the diameter of the hemisphere is L, then the radius will be L by 2, and also given that edge of the cube means A is equal to also L, because it's given in the question the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. So A equal to, you will get L, means A means here the edge. Okay, then let's apply the surface area formula. To find out the surface area formula, we have here surface area of remaining solid. Formula. Now let's take your total surface area of cube. Okay, total surface area of cube plus inside that hemisphere will be there. Okay, so surface area means you can take curved surface area of hemisphere minus one circle, because the top of this cube it will be like this. In this the hemispherical is depression out, means the top portion also should be removed, means the circle. So area of circle. Okay, 0 LE means this is the circle short form, you can use it. Then we know that formulas. Total surface area of cube formula is 6a square plus curved surface area of hemisphere formula 2 pi r square minus area of circle formula pi r square. So 6a square, subtract this, you will get plus pi r square. Now apply the values, then you will get 6. A here we have L, so L square plus pi value we know 22 by 7 into radius we have here L by 2 into L by 2. Now 6 L square plus 22 just cancel here, we will get 11. So 11 L square by 2 sevens are 14. So if you want to do cross multiplication, you can do by taking denominator 1, then you will get 14 into 6 how much? 84 L square plus 11 L square by 14 equal to, add now 11, then 95 L square by 14 is the total surface area of the remaining solid. Or if you are not applying that this pi value, you will get different answer. If you apply pi value, you will get this. Hope that you understand this. Let's move to the question number 6. So here we have the question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. See the capsule medicine, it is in the shape of a cylinder. Let's draw one cylinder shape, and with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. So each side two hemispheres is there. This is the hemisphere 1, this is the hemisphere 2. So now this is the capsule, right? Cylinder and two hemispheres stuck each its ends. Now the given that the length of the entire capsule is given. Total length is how much? 14 millimeter. This is total length. Okay, then diameter of the capsule is given. Diameter of the capsule from here to here, this is the diameter is given 5 millimeter. Then what will be the radius? Radius will be 5 by 2, which is 2.5. okay, or if you are applying in the form of fraction also fine, no problem. Now see here, each side we have a radius from here to here and here to here. The height of the hemisphere is equal to the radius. If the total is 14, then what will be this length? From here 2.5, here 2.5, if you subtract, then you will get from this, means the height of the cylinder will become 9 millimeter. Hope that you understand this diagram. Let's go to the given data here. Total length of capsule is given 14 millimeter and diameter is given, d is equal to 5 millimeter. Then radius will be 5 by 2 millimeter. Okay, then the height of cylinder, it will be 9 millimeter. Why 9 millimeter? I explained here. Okay, then let's apply. We have to find out the surface area. So surface area formula, we can use it. Surface area of capsule equal to, we have here three parts. One is cylinder and two hemispheres. So curved surface area of cylindrical part plus two hemispheres are there. So two hemispheres you can take as a one sphere, right? Or if you are taking 2 times also, no problem. Let's write formula 2 times. Then curved surface area of hemisphere plus one more curved surface area of hemisphere. Or if you are considering this as a one sphere, also correct. Now CAC of cylinder formula we know 2 pi RH. Curved surface area of hemisphere formula 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Now let's simplify this here. 2 pi r, if you take common outside, here we have h, here we have one r, and here we have one more r is left. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into r radius we have here 5 by 2 into h height of the cylinder we have here how much? H 9 plus r we have here r plus r 2r, let's write 2r, then you can apply once again. This 2 and 2 cancel, so 22 by 7 into 5, 9 plus 2 into radius we have here how much? 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, remaining just multiply this by 7 into 9 plus 5 you will get 14. So cancel, 7 ones are 2s are. So remaining 110 into 2. So surface area, you will get surface area of capsule equal to 220 millimeter square. Hope that you understand this question. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we will discuss question number 7 and 8.